the black lines. Maybe this isn't right.
So what are you doing?
I'm about to try out my brand new blow dryer. Do you want to tell them what happened to the other one?
No, you could.
Okay, so
Hold on.
I was drying my hair before the drama banquet a couple weeks ago, and my blow dryer started making this really weird high-pitched sound. I was like, what the hell is this? So I went and talked to my mom, who was the last person to use my blow dryer, and I showed her the sound it was making, and smoke started coming out of the other end of it. So I had to get a new blow dryer. This is my new blow dryer. Instructions. All right.
I think you might need to read those.
Direction. Whoa, that's small. Okay.
That's what she said.
Okay. Let's don't try this at home, folks.
Like it even gives you a little warning, you.
Probably just a great shot of my double chin there.
Nah, I was more focused. What did you just spit out? It was white.
Okay.
Oh, you could do a test thingy on this?
It didn't turn on.
Becca.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole.
You click it back. Look. And then you click it back.
You scared me. You're an asshole.
Yeah.
Honey,
You gotta turn it off first. Turn.
What am I doing right? There's no switch.
There you go.
I'm the worst with technology. I told you that wasn't off.
Becca, there's this thing that says off.
Yes, we had it on off. Hey.
Oh, this is worse than I'm getting stabbed with the toilet paper. Ah, no, ow! Ah!
Okay, whoa, okay. We know it works. That's the good part. How well, that's for sure.
You just got started.
Still. My old blow dryer was so good.
Was it the same brand?
I'm mourning. No.
Better than that one.
This was $15 crap at Target.
How much did it go?
80.
No wonder.
Yeah, we got it in a set with. Did you just spray that in my crotch?
No.
I'm gonna watch that footage.
No, I went like that. You would have heard it go like this.
Now you sprayed it.
Yeah, I didn't even spray it. Oh, now Rocky smells like One Direction.
Am I hot yet?
Yes.
Yes. Honey.
That made so much
That
sense.
makes
Okay then. Okay, what the hell? We're gonna be like calling this the properly improper way to dry one's hair. I'm a liar. I knew that was gonna happen.
Becca.
Ooh, wish you were gone.
Bruh.
Ow!
Oh,
Honey, my hair just does that.
same, but this is not as bad as mine.
Dude, if I had your hair, I'd rip it all out.
Yeah. Try blow drying this hair out. Like what I do, I wash my hair first and then I comb it out when it's wet. So that way,
Ow! Bitch.
so that
What
way
about-
it won't
Why?
hurt as much when I, blow dry it.
See, I would flash what's going on my phone, but you see the numbers at the top.
What happened now?
I think it didn't send the message. Oh, darn!
Yeah.
You didn't send the message.
Guys, am I pretty yet?
Link, comment down below.
I'm cousin it from the Addams Family.
Oh, God. No one will remember the Addams Family.
God, no, I'm old. Okay. So you guys, this is what it takes to be that loose. And I still-
Or this is what happens when you have curly hair.
Oh yeah, the struggles of curly hair.
Mm,
It's not very curly right now, but
Give it an hour.
no, if I let it dry naturally, my hair looks like Rocky's.
mm. Mine's tamed right now, but if it was wet, whew, mine's actually worse.
Yes. This is just gonna be like part of our weekend. Ow!
We could get different flavored sodas.
Oh, what's that again? They're just gonna have the same ones.
No, they change it usually.
Okay.
Yeah, well, if they don't, we don't do it. Because everyone liked the other one.
It was gross.
We had bacon flavored.
We'll find them online.
Okay. Because like we're sitting in the bathroom right now
With the hot ass food.
with a hot ass blow dryer. So currently it shows 88 degrees.
And I'm blow drying my hair like a moron.
Yeah. It's,
Oh,
it's 81 degrees now.
I have somewhere to be, so I can't have wet hair. And I just took a shower because my hair was gross because it's the summertime and
Summertime
sweating and
sadness.
I got that summertime sadness. Oh, oh,
Okay. My name's Jeff.
oh. Dude, why is my hair so blonde right there?
I don't know. My name's Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Yeah, I'm a naturally redhead.
My name's Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Ooh, you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
My hair's still a mess.
When we go pow pow pow.
And now I get to straighten the rest.
Okay.
Okay. Lamborghini Mercy. Have you seen that vine?
No.
With the
I haven't.
Mercy? Oh my god, that's so
How is it the one, the Porsche one first? Let
We have about the motherfucking Porsche.
Porsche. How does that dance go?
Right. They do something like that.
It goes like that, you have your arm out.
It's like-
they're like.
Yeah.
And then what's the other one? What's
I
the
can't
other one?
dance, so don't ask me for that one.
Oh, she just wants my money,
Oh,
money. Now
You
watch
just
me
want
whip.
my money,
So
money.
y'all, I was thinking about getting a haircut.
So watch me whip.
Now
watch me nay.
Now watch me whip, whip, whip.
Now watch me nay. The Rocky's doing it.
It's because I like dancing.
Summer is a bad time for long hair.
Uh-huh.
I know Carla has a little bit easier time than I do though. And I'm all broken out because I was sitting in the sun for 3 hours. Ugh.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done. This is as good as it's gonna get. It's gonna go get thrown in a ponytail.
Yep.
I'm done with life.
Okay.
Yeah, ponytail.
My name's Jeff.
Gonna do
Name's
ponytail.
Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
Name's Jeff.
His
Alright.
hair thin
Alright,
now.
y'all. I'm
Sorry.
getting out of this freaking.
Bye.